we'll guide you through how to make a flash transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your After Effects so the workspace loads and you can begin the edit. Then import your footages inside, so both clips appear in the project panel. After that, make a new composition by right-clicking the project bar on the left, then select New Composition from the menu. Set your composition based on your like, including the size and timeline setup you plan to use. You can name the composition based on your like to keep things organized. Next, set the ratio for the comp, and for this guide, I use 1920 and 1080 since it fits most screens. Then set the frame rate based on your need, and here I choose 30 FPS because it is smooth and simple to work with. After that, set the duration based on how long your footage or project needs to be. When everything is set, click OK to create the composition. Inside the new comp, drag and drop both of your footages into the timeline so they appear as layers. Adjust the position based on your like if you want them placed in certain spots or lined up for transitions. Now right-click the timeline area and select New. Then choose Adjustment Layer to create a layer that will affect everything below it. Click the Adjustment layer to make sure it is selected. Go to the Effects and Presets menu and search Exposure. Drag the exposure effect onto the adjustment layer so the settings appear. Inside the effect bar, turn on the keyframe of the exposure set by clicking the stopwatch. Then add 3 keyframes along the timeline. For the first keyframe, set the value to 0 so it starts with no change. For the second keyframe, set the value based on your like, and here I use 3 as an example to brighten the screen. Then set the third keyframe back to 0 so the exposure returns to normal. Select all the keyframes and right-click them. Choose Keyframe Assistant and then pick Easy Ease to smooth the animation. After that, select all the keyframes again and open the graph settings so you can adjust how the animation flows. Right-click the graph bar and select Edit Speed Graph so you can control the motion curve. Set your graph based on your like or copy the same settings you usually use for this type of effect. This helps create a clean hit flash effect that blends well with your footage.